question that I get asked, Jordan, that I want your opinion on, and I'll get asked this question from like people that come to me for like questions on how to start investing, or just clients that I'm helping. Mm-hmm. And they'll kick around the idea, should I invest my own money and get a small apartment building, and small maybe let's say 4, 5, 6plex,
sure.
right? Could be residential, could be multifamily. Or should I go bigger and get partners? Or does it matter, it's just whatever opportunity comes my way first? Do you have an opinion on smaller, bigger, being the only owner versus partnered?
I do. I think it really depends on what your individual situation is.
Okay.
I feel like here in Utah, people are fairly entrepreneurial. Mm-hmm. So I think there's a high level of, I want to do it kind of on my own. And there are benefits of that.
Sure.
If you do a really good project, you get everything.
Right.
But with getting everything, you get everything.
Yeah.
There's no middleman to deal with the property management calls, or deal with getting repairs done, or this big $350,000 remodel, and then you got to go find the deal and get the loan, and there's a lot that goes into it. So most of the people that come to me for that question are, what they're really looking for is passive income.
Got it.
Well, I'm still looking for it. Let me just tell you that.
Yeah.
You can invest. It's a very even rentals is a very active business.
Right.
Yeah. People, the mailbox money, it's tough.
Yes.
So
yes.
The big perk of investing with other people is you give up control, but what you gain back is your time.
Right.
If you partner up with someone like me, or maybe like you,
yeah.
we're the ones who are actively out there managing these projects, managing the situations, and the investors can kind of sit back, see the highlights, see the blooper reel.
Right.
But it's a much more passive investment, and you get to plug in to our team. We have long-standing relationships with contractors and property managers and agents to find opportunities, and banks to finance them. So the learning curve of coming along with someone who does this as a full-time career,
right?
That's really the benefit. And there's sometimes the returns are the same, maybe worse, but sometimes they could even be better, because we spend hours and hours a day screening opportunities and really know what to look for.
It's true. Yeah, great point. Love that point. Okay, awesome. Well, guys, we're going to go to a commercial break. When we come back, it is nightmare story time. Everybody who's ever listened to the show knows I love the nightmare story, Jordan, because I have plenty nightmare stories that I have gone through, right? Yeah. They've been the most beneficial learning experiences than the, home runs. Like, you learn a little bit on a home run, but you learn a lot on a nightmare. And so I prefer to learn from other people's nightmares if possible. If I can learn from someone else's mistake, I'd rather learn from that mistake. So Jordan's going to share a nightmare story with us when we come back. So don't go anywhere. It's time for commercial. With smartphones and technology making life a little easier, the Snap Leash has also been designed to make life a little easier for you and your pup. Whether you're out on a stroll in the park, or possibly a walk through the city, or maybe even a hike up in the mountains, the Snap Leash is the perfect leash for you. The Snap Leash can easily and conveniently convert into 7 types of leashes, making the Snap Leash the most convenient leash in the world. What other leash do you know that is 7 leashes in one? With the Snap Leash having appearances on the Today Show in New York City, TV 47 in Dallas, Texas, and ABC 4 on Midday, Utah, you are definitely going to want to take a peek at what the Snap Leash can do for you and your best friend. Make life a little easier for you and your pup, and visit www.snapleash.com today.